Hi children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today our amazing assignment is large numbers. From large numbers you are learning already Roman numerals. Just this is the assignment. Okay. So the question 1, in Roman numeral system the letter V represents. Okay. So already you learn what are the Roman numerals, which letters we are using. So we are using 7 basic letters. So they have the values. You know that one? The 7 basic letters are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. So from that the value of V. So the value of I is 1. The value of V is 5. So what is the given options here? The option A is 10. The option B is 5. The option C is 8. What we require the option? The option B. The option B. Coming to next one. The Romans used dash letters of the English alphabet to denote numbers. So how many letters they are used to write numerals? They are used to write numerals. So already you learned the 7 letters. The 7 basic letters are used. What are that? The letters are I. So what is the I? I represent the value is 1. What is the next one? V. The value of V is 5. What is the next one? X. That value is 10. The next letter represent L. What is the value of L? 50. And what is the next value? C. The value of C is 100. And what is the next one? D. The value of D is 500. And what is the last letter? That value is M. The value is 1000. So what are that? The 7 basic letters are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. And coming to next one, find the missing Roman numerals and complete the clock. So already you observed so many clocks we can observe from the our surroundings. So from that some are in our numerals and some are in Roman numerals. Okay. So here how many numbers will be in a clock? What is the given clock? The clock is given analog clock. Okay. So how many digits will be in there? 12 numbers are there. So here the numbers are represented in Roman numerals. So here I means 2. So what is the next one? 3. So how to represent in Roman numeral 3? I and next one 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the missing letter here? 9. So how to represent 9? I, X. Already you know a letter can be represented 3 times only. Here already in 8 I represented 3 times. So what is the next number? 9. So 9 how will we write? I, X. I, X. And next one. Match the following numbers in column A with the correct Roman numerals in column B. So here the box is given in column A some numbers and column B in given in Roman numerals. So we have to match with correct answer. So what is the first one? 2. And what is the next one? 4. What is the next one? 6. So the values are given. So we have to match it with correct Roman numeral. So the value of 2. So here IV. What is the value of IV? 4. And VI. What is the value of VI in Roman numeral? 6. What is the value of II? Means 2. So the with correct matching is 2. And coming to 4. Where it is? IV. You know already. A letter can be represented 3 times. Already in 3, I is kept. Okay. So coming to our 4 is represented as IV. And what is the next number? 6. So 6 can be represented as VI. VI. And coming to next, which of the following letter represents 100 in Roman numeral? Already you know the 7 basic letters and how to represent as 100. So what are the given options here? The option A is C, and the option B is V, and the option C is D. So what we have to find? How to represent 100 in Roman numeral. How to represent 100 in Roman numeral is C. So our option is A. So our option is A. I hope you understand the clause. Thank you, children.